What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to open any app directly from your iPhone lock screen on iOS 18. With the release of iOS 18, Apple has introduced even more customization options for the lock screen, including the ability to add shortcuts to open specific apps without unlocking your phone. This can be a huge time saver, especially if there are certain apps you need frequent quick access to. To start, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or a newer version, as this feature isn't available on earlier versions. To verify this, open the Settings app, go to General and tap on About. Here, you see your software version. If you're on iOS 18 or higher, you're good to go. If not, go to Software Update under General to update your device. Once you're ready, go to your lock screen. Unlock your iPhone and go to the lock screen customization settings. To access these, long press on an empty area on your lock screen until the menu pops up. Then, tap on Customize. Select Lock Screen from the options to open your lock screen editing tools. You'll likely see the camera and flashlight icons at the bottom of your lock screen as default shortcuts. We're going to replace one of these with a shortcut to open a specific app. To start, tap the plus icon on the lock screen customization section to open the list of widgets and shortcuts you can add. Now, in the search bar at the top of the screen, type Open App. This will bring up a shortcut from the Shortcuts app, labeled Open App. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the Shortcuts app downloaded and installed from the App Store on your iPhone, as it's required to add app opening shortcuts to your lock screen. Tap on Open App to add this shortcut to your lock screen. Next, you'll see an option to choose which app you want this shortcut to open. Tap on Choose and it will bring up a list of installed apps. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the app you want to access from your lock screen. Once you've chosen your app, tap Done to save your settings. You'll see the new app icon displayed on your lock screen. Now, whenever you're on the lock screen, you can simply tap on this app icon to open it directly from your lock screen. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.